Hey, hi, hello everyone. Hope you're all fine. Today I'm back with a very new concept, which is called magical words, which really plays a magical role in your daily life, and a magical number which you have to write on your left body part. That might be your wrist, your hand, your shoulder, your thigh, your stomach, your uh, shoulder, wherever. That must be a left hand body part. Okay. And today's concept is like your neighbors are very noisy. Many of you will be dealing with this kind of problem. Your children will be studying. They might be playing music and dancing. They might be fighting. They might be talking loudly, shouting at home, and that creates lots of nuisance sound. Your children or yourself can't concentrate on things or studies, right? So if you question them, few people are there that they understand and they keep quiet, they don't repeat it again. But there are few kind of people who are arrogant. They fight with you and they play more music, or they make sounds, lot of sounds, to make you irritate, right? So for that kind of people, I have a magical magical words which you have to chant at least for 108 times, and see the difference what happens. Okay. So I don't want to waste your time. I'll just go with the words now. The word is, if you have a pen and paper, just write down wall, 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 up, up, quiet, quite shut, shut, wall up, quite shut. This is the magical word, and the number is which you have to write on your left body part, wherever you like to. It's your wish. Any color pen. If it is blue, that's fine. If it is a ballpoint, that is too fine, because that will stay for a long time. So I prefer blue ballpoint pen. Okay. So you have to write the number 30829012. I repeat, 30829012. This number you have to write on your left body part anytime, any day. Okay? It's your wish. Anytime, any day. There is no thing like you have to write at this time, you have to write at that day. No, that is all not necessary. Any day, any time, write it on your left body part and chant the words, magical words: wall up, quite shut, wall up, quite shut, wall up, quite shut, wall up, quite shut, at least for 108 times, any time in a day, and see the difference. But you have to, before chanting, you have to take an intention. Just pray to God that, God, I'm going to chant this magical word, and I want my neighbor to be quiet. Please make him quiet, and give success for my chanting. This should be your intention, right? And then start chanting and write the number, how much you can chant. It's not like 108 times is enough. If you can chant, you can chant more, 108 times. Okay, like for 300 times, 500 times, 1000 times. That will give power to your magical number. So do try this at home, and tell me after a week how your neighbors are. Okay. So hope this will work out very well, because I have seen this in my life, and that worked out for me. and that is why I'm giving this to you. Okay, so take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. I'll be back with lot many videos of this kind, are remedies, magical remedies for day to day life. Okay, okay then. So I'll take a leave now. Bye bye. Take care.